In this video, we're going to talk about if it's possible to deposit money to Cash App card at an ATM. So you will need to know first that this is not possible. You cannot deposit a cash, as an example, to Cash App card at any ATM. Cash App cards only support cash withdrawals at ATMs, not cash deposits. So if your goal to add cash to your Cash App balance, you will need to use one of the supported methods. So the first option, as example, is to deposit cash at a participating store. So open your Cash App and then you'd like to tap the money or the banking tab and then select your paper money if you are going to deposit at a nearby location. If you want, you can also choose to direct deposit. So if you're choosing a paper money as example, you will have to ask the cashier to scan the barcode and give it the cash or give him the cash and you will be able to see the balance added to your Cash App. If you want, you can also open the map and see, as example, the locations or the deposit locations, and from there, go to it, then show the barcode and let the cashier scan it. So you need to show the barcode to the cashier and hand over the cash, and the cashier will scan the barcode and complete the deposit. Cash App supports paper money deposits at thousands of retailers or retail locations, including stores such as 7-Eleven, CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, and Kroger as well. So the other option or the second option is to add money as direct deposits from, as an example, linked bank accounts. Open Cash App again, click on add money, and then you can enter the amount of money that you want and confirm the transfer. Of course, if your bank isn't linked yet, make sure to link your bank first. And from there, you'll be able to add money to your Cash App on your or from your bank very easily. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again in the next video.